Welcome guys, today maybe something easy, which is oil change, but I'm gonna do it different way. I will be actually checking if that oil extractor is good enough to remove all the oil from the sump. So later I will suck out the oil and remove the drain plug to see if there's anything left. First, remember, always remove the oil filter first. There's usually about half a liter left in the oil filter housing, so remove the cap, wait about a few minutes for oil to drain. The oil is gone. Old filter. This filter is only about 5,000 miles old. I'll explain you more in future video, following up video about this one. I'll explain you more about oils, when to change, how this oil looks like after 5,000 miles. This engine was rebuilt, so I'll explain you more in a future video, but this one is basically about oil change. Wow, that was surprising. I was actually hoping there would be some oil left in the pan, but it wasn't. So the stuff you see in my plastic container is just like leftovers from the oil filter. So this is actually working in my BMW. The engine was rebuilt. That's the second oil change after braking period. So more about oil, I will be examining also the oil filter. I will tell you more about your oils, long life oils. I will explain you more in follow-up video to this one. So this extractor can work as a filling pump to your gearbox or diff. You just reverse the tubes to your fresh oil and that's it. This is a very good device. I'm not trying to convince anybody. I was just trying to show that because I don't think there's many video about this. Many people using extractors and they happy with that, but nobody probably checked what's left in the pan. Many people still don't like it, so that's why I made this videos to show you what's happening after you extracting oil with device like that. So I think it's a useful video. So thanks for watching and see you next time.